Hello from FunTBH. New video about this automatic charger named Golisi charger S4 model. It's purchased from, as usual, bango.com, so you can buy it there. But does it worth buying? Stay with me and check it. It comes in strong box, well packed, and box contain charger, power cable and small instruction how to use. It features very nice HD display which providing you with all information about each charging slot and whatever kind of battery you place in any charging slot. You will know what type of batteries in slot and how much current it used to charge it and what is voltage of that battery. I faced only one problem once during the charging. From some strange reason, temperature protection in charger failed, and between these four cells, one was faulty cells. It couldn't reach required voltage for a charger to switch off charging, and it confused the charger, so all cells got overheated highly. So be careful with this charger, sometimes it can happen, but after that I never again was able to get same error to make temperature protection fail. And what I think it's just one faulty cell which caused the charger to get confused and to overcharge all cells together. Best thing about this charger is it will recognize different battery types and properly set up charging voltage and current according to the type of the battery you use. According to given specification, when we attempt to charge one lithium polymer battery, it should charge it with current of 2 amps. But in my case, it never provided charging current more than 1 amps. As well, when charging 2 cells, still it will charge them with current of 1 amp per cell. 3 or more batteries will be charged with 500 milliamps. And one more thing to say, this charger can be used easily in car, as it have a female connector for 12 volts 1 amp, but cable for usage in car is not provided, so you will have to get it somewhere else. At the end, this charger is good charger for people who need such automatic charger for different type of batteries. It have some difficulties, as I said, but price of it make this charger best buy on the market for this type of chargers. And please be sure to subscribe, like, comment or whatever else.